5 seconds. Daily our national capital is under severe stress from rising population levels and can be provided relief by reviving the ring railway system comprising 21 stations. We will partner with the state government to develop this infrastructure. We intend to undertake a major programs to build an integrated suburban ecosystem of IR by launching a new investment framework. IR would share equity contribution with the state governments and ensure cost neutrality on operations. We will come out with a detailed policy in this regard in the next 4 months. We intend to partner with the state governments of Gujarat, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu for developing suburban sections in Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, and Chennai respectively by deploying innovative financing mechanisms. Bangalore, the technology hub of the country, warrants a comprehensive suburban system. We will partner with state government in this endeavor. I appeal to the state governments to work towards staggering of office timings to reduce peak load on suburban traffic. The modal share of IR has been consistently declining over a long period of time. This trend has had a negative impact not only on the railways but on the entire economy. We are determined to reverse this slide. There are three solution sets for this issue: expanding the freight basket of IR, rationalizing the tariff structure, and building terminal capacity. The freight basket of IR is dominated by 10 bulk commodities which enjoy a share of around 88%. We need to look beyond these to expand our revenue base. A full-fledged market study is being undertaken and detailed supply and demand, stationary service level and infrastructure requirements will be assessed so that an action plan to recapture that traffic through either containerization or new delivery models roll on roll off will be developed and implemented. Network capacity limitations do not allow us to run timetabled freight trains, but from this year we will start a timetabled freight, container, parcel, and special commodity trains on a pilot basis. Container sector would be open to all traffic bearing coal and specified mineral ores, and part loads would be permitted during the non-peak season. All existing terminals sheds would be granted access to container traffic where considered feasible. The current tariff structure of IR has led to outpricing of our services in the freight market. A review of tariff policy will be undertaken to evolve a competitive rate structure vis-a-vis other modes, permit multi-point loading, uploading, and apply differentiated tariffs to increase utilization of alternate routes.